Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning and rearranging my kids' furniture. That is because we are expecting a delivery for Adriana. She's going to be receiving her laptop computer for school, and also I'm thinking she's going to be receiving some books as well. I'm not quite sure what's coming in the package, but I just want to prepare myself and just get ready so that way it's less stressful for the first day of school next week. And so yeah, but before getting started, you can take 3 seconds and go subscribe and come back and finish the video. And so yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. So this is the desk slash vanity that we'll be using for Adriana's school stuff. I know it looks a little bit crowded, and we're gonna minimize all of this, and we're gonna keep that in place. Or I don't even know exactly how big the laptop is, but I do want her to be in this desk, but I want it to be more where she's not just it feels to me at least claustrophobic in here. And Abel doesn't have any sheets because I was washing them. So but yeah, that's what we're gonna do right here, is pretty much clean that area.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out, yeah.
this is going to be her school area. I just love the idea that she won't get bored, or she can always look outside. I know it looks crazy out there. I need to go weed those out. But so yeah, so we just have her color pencils, pens, and pencils in this area. And then as you've seen, I put all her school paper and glue in here. She actually has more stuff in her backpack from, you know, she was gonna attend public school, but if you've seen my previous videos, I talked more about that. And then here is, since she likes to draw, I also showed you her little drawing here, and I just love how she's just so artistic about this. So cute. And then of course we have a old school sharpening pencil, and it does work. Actually, my mom got this at a thrift store, and we are loving that. And then in here she just has like all her like hand sanitizer, chapstick, some jewelry, hair clips. And then on this one she has her glasses that for sure she'll be needing for when school starts. And then here's just her phone case and her money, some more jewelry in there. And that is pretty much it that we have here for her back to school area, her little workspace here. And as soon as her laptop comes in, hopefully there is room here. If not, of course I would adjust accordingly. But yeah, I am loving this area so far.
Looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim. No worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
So in this delivery, we didn't get our laptop / computer. Not sure exactly what's coming in, but she did receive her courses. Like this box is history, and it comes with like a inflatable globe. Yeah, some books in this box. So that's history. And then in this box is her math, and she has everything that she's going to be needing in here. And then I actually took everything out. I thought this was going to be the setup for the laptop, but it wasn't. This is actually science in this box, and it comes with everything except for this. It comes with everything that is needed for her science. And then this box is also science, and it has more fun things. It looks like she has a lot of sand in here, rocks. That looks so cool, huh?
I'm gonna play with mine now.
Yeah. And here's a stopwatch, which is so cool.
What is that?
So it looks like you're gonna have fun, huh?
Yep.
And then on this box, she has
Books.
English, language arts, and this one is full of books. And it looks I don't know, really cool that they sent all these. And what else? I think that was it. We haven't got the laptop yet, but I got the notification that it has been delivered, so probably any day now. And this is the Texas Coach Mathematics. So she's gonna have a workbook as well. But no laptop just yet, so we're just gonna fix this, organize it somehow into that little space area over there.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And